Well, thank you Lord no, sa win. But yun nga, slowly kami back sa game. Siyempre, nangangapa pa kami as a team. But overall, not just me. No, I think I'm happy na... gosh, hey gosh. Yun, sabi niya, sino nga? I'm happy na as a team na nakaka-recover kami kasi yun nga, maraming bago sa amin pero kailangan namin kami, especially mga veterano talaga, kailangan namin mag-guide yung mga newcomers kaya kami hindi nagmamadali as long as ginagawa namin yung tama yung setting system ni Coach Steve, ginagawa namin yung dapat gawin namin as a team. So, whatever the result is, syempre, gusto namin makuha every game yung panalo, but we're thinking of bigger picture ahead, especially sa playoffs. So, sana hopefully pagdating nun, talagang yung chemistry namin, yung system na pinapagawa ni coaches, same page na kami. Slowly getting better, hindi naman excuse yung injury ko dati na mabagal yung position sa pag-start ng conference. Sa sarili naman, workout ko, yung mga aspects sa games ko, yung magiging healthy palagi. Yun lang, for now talaga, sana magiging healthy throughout the conference kasi yung games ngayon hindi biro talaga 6 times a week yung, di ba? So mabilisan, very important sa amin yung recovery.